Happy New Year, everyone. We are here walking the beach at night. It's actually not that late. It's only like 8 o'clock. The thing is, the sun sets early right now on Sanibel. Look at that tide line, honey. It sets, sorry, am I getting in your way? It sets like at 6. So, last time we were here, it didn't set till 8. So, it definitely throws off the timing. But that's okay. I can use my headlamp. It is not turtle nesting season. So that means I don't need a filter. We're looking for shells, and as you can see, there's tons of shells. I don't know. People ask like what I pick up. I don't know. Whatever takes my fancy. Ooh, Robert, look at this itty bitty crab. Honey, come here.
What?
Look at that crab.
Oh, he's a little guy.
He's just a little baby. I love how crabs move to the side.
It's really strange.
You would?
He's a weird one. This is one of those we were talking about.
Oh yeah, this is a jewel box. Thank you, honey.
Why are you poking a stick at?
Okay, I'm not gonna poke it. That's fine. Fine.
Get on me about it.
You're right. I was harassed. I was like, don't harass the crab.
Don't harass the
Only
crab.
I'm allowed to harass the crab.
Exactly. Here he goes. He's coming to you.
All right. Oh man. You're right. I don't know why I did that. That was rude of me. Do as I say, not as I do.
Grab the stick and he's not even poking at it.
I know, it was terrible of me. Now I'm like crouched down, and now I'm afraid to crouch down. Was it this one? Oh, it's a Venus. Yes, Venus sunray. Sorry, excuse my coughing. Sanibel is currently experiencing a red tide, and it makes me cough a lot. That's a pretty scallop.
I don't see any small ones.
No, I know. We've only found one spiral this entire trip.
Normally they're
And
never
last trip, I found like
thousands.
tons. And then the first day we got here, I found like a handful of sea glass. And today, nothing.
What is this one?
This is just another jewel box. I like them.
All right.
I got to straighten up for a little bit. Bending down like hurts my back. I don't see those people anymore. You what? Sorry. I did bring water. Now we gotta watch out, make sure we don't step on any crabs. There's a nice olive. Oh shit. Oh shoot, sorry. I just picked up a dead fish. I thought it was a freaking shell, and it was a dead fish. I apologize for my cussing. I just picked up a squishy dead fish. I want to die. Oh my god, that was disgusting. It was squishy. It was not an oyster. I want to puke. And I want to like stick my hand in a pot of boiling water.
Oh my god.
Are you laughing at me?
Oh yes, 100%. Came back at you. You're gonna poke that crab with a stick.
Ugh, gross. That's an olive, not a dead fish. I'm no longer picking up anything that I think is an oyster.
Is it shiny?
Yeah, it was shiny gray. I thought it was like a little oyster. Like this. I thought it was something like this.
Yeah, it's a minnow.
But it wasn't. It was still kind of squishy. Look at that shell pile, honey. I'm going over here so they can't make fun of me. and I accidentally pick up another dead fish. God, that was gross. Is that sea glass? Oh, I did. I finally found a piece of sea glass today. Yay. Well, I don't feel like, I mean, honestly, I kind of right now prefer this night shelling because it's so bright during the day that it's hard for me to see. But with this lamp, I can see everything like perfectly. I don't know if people watching. Okay. Oh, thank you. What are you looking at?
It's just half of the shell.
Half of the shell?
Yeah.
Thought you were on it though? Yeah, you gotta be careful. Neither of us are wearing water shoes. Mine are still wet from earlier. I mean, it's not the end of the world if we get our shoes wet. We just don't want to. No one likes wearing wet shoes if they're not waterproof. Look at that, look at that. That is a nice little shark's eye. Oh, thank you, honey. That's what he found. What's wrong? That's a boat. It's a boat. There's a boat out there. That was a nice, oh my god, there's another one. Yay! Alright, thanks for watching. We're going to go head over to this other shell pile. So, see you later.